Gracias, Jorge. Continuando con el glosario tenemos Service actions taken to satisfy the requirements or needs of certain subjects. Sustainable development, the balance and responsible use of natural resources so that economic and environmental development can occur. Strategy planning. Written document that details the specific management actions aimed at specific objects in the marketing of work in a given every month. Vision. Ability to project the future of a company and what it aims to become in the long term. Teamwork. It is the work done by several individuals, whereas every one does a part but with a common goal. Vanguard directs the march of the troops and opens roads. Some of its functions are the exploration of the ground, the clearing of potential dangers for the advance. Tenemos las conclusiones, que son las siguientes. For the company to remain maintained and be successful, it must have a vision of growth, technology and sustainable innovation and go-to-chain. Have resources that protect the environment, deliver value from the supply chain, take care of human value and excellent customer service with support from users. Invest in what is important, be competitive in the fashion of management. Companies must enter the chain and be in the win with the customer with the company, not be in the same and always in the standard or comfort zone. The vision for growth, development, and sustainability must have a central purpose that remains fixed and clear objectives. For lasting success, the company must have a central ideology and a future imagining. The central ideology defines the lasting nature of an organization. A current identity that goes beyond the life cycles of the product or the market, also of the technology advances and individual leaders. The central capacity is the strategic concept that defines the specific skill of the organization in which we have planned prioritization, time management, detail orientation, and resource coordination. Tenemos la bibliografía. Espero que haya sido de su agrado. Muchas gracias.